Hello, everyone, and welcome to Talking About the Past. My name is Alex, and I'm your host.
And I'm Sam. I'm here to learn English with you and maybe make some mistakes.
And that's perfectly okay, Sam. This podcast is for English learners, especially beginners and intermediate students.
Today's topic is very important.
Yes, today we are talking about the past. Not history exactly, but how we talk about past events in English.
Things that already happened.
Exactly. Yesterday, last week, last year, 5 minutes ago. All of that is the past.
And many learners find this difficult.
That's true, but don't worry. We'll go step by step, slowly and clearly.
We'll use real examples, short stories, and common mistakes.
So, grab a coffee, relax, and let's begin. Part 1. What does the past mean?
Let's start with a very simple question.
Okay.
Sam, what did you do this morning?
This morning, I woke up at 7. I brushed my teeth, took a shower, and drank coffee.
Great. You just used the past simple tense.
Without thinking about it.
Exactly. The past tense helps us talk about actions that are finished.
So, if the action is finished, we use the past?
Yes, most of the time. For example, I woke up. I ate breakfast. I went to work. All finished actions.
What about feelings?
Good question. We also use the past to talk about feelings. For example, I was tired. I felt happy. I was nervous.
So, actions and feelings.
Exactly.
Part 2. Time words for the past.
Now let's talk about time words.
Words that tell us when something happened?
Yes, some common past time words are yesterday, last night, last week, last year, 2 days ago, when I was a child.
Let me try.
Go ahead.
Yesterday, I worked until 5 p.m.
Good.
Last night, I watched a movie.
Perfect. Notice something important. When we use words like yesterday or last night, we usually use the past tense.
So, not yesterday, I watch a movie.
Correct. It should be yesterday I watched a movie.
Part 3. Regular verbs.
Let's talk about regular verbs.
These are the easy ones, right?
Yes, most regular verbs end with ed in the past.
Like worked.
Exactly. Here are some examples. Work, worked, play, played, clean, cleaned, watch, watched, talk, talked.
Yesterday, I worked all day.
Nice.
I cleaned my room in the evening.
Very good. Now listen carefully to pronunciation.
Ah, yes. Pronunciation is tricky.
Some verbs sound like t, worked, watched. Some sound like d, played, cleaned. And some sound like id, wanted, needed.
So, wanted is not want-ed, but want-id.
Exactly.
Part 4. Irregular verbs.
Now let's move to irregular verbs.
These don't follow the rules.
That's right. You just have to memorize them.
My favorite.
Let's start with very common ones. Go, went, eat, ate, drink, drank, see, saw, come, came, have, had.
Yesterday, I went to work.
Good.
I ate lunch at 2 o'clock.
Nice.
I drank coffee in the afternoon.
Perfect.
I saw my friend after work.
Excellent. Now, notice something. The verb changes, but the sentence structure stays the same.
Part 5. Questions in the past.
Let's ask questions.
Okay.
In the past, we usually use did.
Did you work yesterday?
Exactly. Important rule. After did, we use the base form.
So, not did you worked.
Correct. Always did plus subject plus base verb.
Let me try asking you.
Go ahead.
Did you wake up early today?
Yes, I did.
Did you eat breakfast?
No, I didn't.
Did you study English yesterday?
Yes, I did.
Easy when you practice. Part 6. Negative sentences.
Now let's make negative sentences.
We use didn't.
Yes. Examples: I didn't go out. I didn't eat breakfast. I didn't understand the lesson.
Yesterday, I didn't watch TV.
Good.
I didn't sleep early.
Nice. Again, notice, after didn't, we use the base verb.
Part 7. Short story, daily life.
Let's tell a longer story together.
Okay. Yesterday was a busy day for me. I woke up early because I had a meeting.
You felt tired in the morning.
Yes, I felt very tired. I drank coffee and left the house at 8.
You went to work by car.
Correct. At work, I answered emails and talked to my boss.
Your boss asked many questions.
Yes, he did. After work, I went home and cooked dinner.
You didn't order food.
No, I didn't. I cooked pasta and watched a movie.
Then you went to bed early.
Exactly. Part 8. Common mistakes learners make.
Let's talk about common mistakes learners make.
I make many mistakes.
That's normal. Mistake number 1, using the past twice.
Like, did you went?
Exactly. Correct sentence, did you go?
So what about I didn't went?
Also incorrect. It should be I didn't go.
Base verb again.
Yes, always after did or didn't.
Part 9. Practice activity.
Let's practice together.
Okay.
Listeners, repeat in your head or out loud.
Yesterday, I woke up at...
Yesterday, I woke up at...
I ate.
I ate.
I went to...
I went to...
Great. Now try making 3 sentences about yesterday.
This really helps.
Part 10. Talking about childhood.
We also use the past to talk about childhood.
Like memories.
Yes, for example, when I was a child, I played outside. I watched cartoons. I didn't use a phone.
When I was a child, I loved video games.
Nice.
I played football with my friends.
Great examples.
Conclusion.
Let's finish today's episode.
Today, we talked about the past tense.
We learned regular verbs, irregular verbs, questions, negatives, short stories,
And common mistakes.
Our advice? Practice every day by talking about yesterday.
Even 5 minutes is enough.
Thank you for listening to Talking About the Past.
See you next time.
Both of us, goodbye and keep learning English.